Loading a smart SIM card, regular load or data/call promos using Gcash is fast and straightforward. Open Gcash and navigate to load. Under the category list, tap Mobile. Select Smart Network. Enter the smart number. Type the 11-digit smart mobile number you want to top up. Then tap Next. Swipe through the top tabs to browse available smart data, call, and text packages. Regular load. Enter or choose a specific peso amount. Tap Buy Now or Next once selected. Review and pay. Double-check the target phone number and total amount. Important tips: confirmation SMS. Once payment is processed, you will receive an in-app confirmation screen, along with an SMS text confirmation from both Gcash and Smart.